The Air Jordan 1 Low returns with a fresh Panda twist, blending black, white, and refined brown accents across the swoosh, collar, and heel embroidery. Once a defining look during the pandemic-era sneaker craze, the Panda theme surged in popularity, spanning dunks and even inspiring rival brands like Adidas to join the trend. Now, this tri-color take brings added depth to a beloved formula. The black and white foundation keeps it recognizable and versatile, while the brown hits add subtle elegance suitable for more dressed-up wear. A staple colorway for sneakerheads both old and new, it's ready for everyday rotation. As a true general release, expect it to quietly land on Nike.com with a $120 SRP. Though it might not make headlines like it once did, the Panda name still holds weight. This version just wears it with a bit more polish and maturity.